Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Customer Amaze. Eachine E59. This is a micro foldable drone. It is intelligently designed to be one hand and can easily fit into a pocket and can be carried anywhere easily. To fly the drone, just unfold the propellers and with the one tap feature of the remote control you can take off the drone easily and also land on at one tap. You can also do 3D flips and rolls with this drone. With powerful motor and sensitive remote control, make it rolling continuously very fast. JetJat Ultra Drone. This is a micro drone in the truest sense. The drone, charger and controller fit in your pocket so you can take it with you anywhere. This deceivingly small drone has been uniquely designed to perform stunts like no other drone and it is super easy to control. As it has camera, you can shoot selfies confidently with the push of a button. Take photos, shoot videos and share them with your friends and family instantly from any device. JetJat Ultra Drone requires 25 minutes to recharge its batteries and flies for 4 to 6 minutes on a single charge. Supernova Drone. Unleash the power of your hands with the Airhawk Supernova. Launch it, push it, spin it using just your hands. No remote control or touching needed. Equipped with an intelligent onboard system and motion sensitive lights and sensor, the Airhawk Supernova responds to you every moment. To activate, just toss to launch and Airhawk Supernova will levitate. Master 30 moves and 9 super tricks ranging from simple to complex and take control of your Airhawk Supernova. Arca mode. Ride across any terrain or water with the vehicle, which is virtually impossible until today. Do what you want, whenever you want, wherever you want. Each time you ride the Arca board, you will find yourself at the center of an exhilarating experience. For the first time since the bicycle, automobile or airplane, the Arca board is a revolutionary breakthrough for transportation. For the first time, every person will be able to fly anytime, anywhere. Your world will change forever. Like, share and leave your thoughts below in the comment section. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this on your feed. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next one.